This is an ORG or organization chart which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new format, let's see what all we have. On the extreme left hand side, we have got our company logo. And just after that, we have got our organization chart hierarchy wise. We have got name of all the employees along with their designation. We can see pictures also. And this chart is fully dynamic. Let's see how. On the extreme left hand side, we have got some data. Currently I have hidden the data. I'll unhide this. And we can see the data over here. When we come to right hand side, we can see CEO, John Smith. If I'll come to my data and we'll change the name, we'll do as Vijay, enter. On the right hand side also, the name got changed. And if I change the designation over here, we'll do as director, enter. In our chart also, the designation got changed. I'll undo this. In our data, we have got employee name, reporting to, designation of the employee, and how many staff will be reporting to specific person. Let's start creating a new chart now. I have opened a new workbook. We'll rename the sheet. This will be ORG chart. We'll click on A1. We'll take column A closer. I'll take the data from my example file. So this is my data, employee name, reporting to, designation, and reporting staff. How many staff will be reporting to John Smith? We will be able to see over here. In the same way, how many staff will be reporting to Alice and Mark? So we will insert a formula over here, and the formula will be plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open, range. This is my range. We'll press F4 or function F4 and my range will be logged, comma, criteria. This is my criteria. We are not going to log this. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And there will be two persons who will be reporting to John Smith. We'll drag this down. Based on reporting staff only, we will be creating our chart. We'll go to insert. We'll come in the center. In center, we get the option of smart art. We'll click on drop down, list. We'll select a list from here. We'll take this to right. We will go on top. On top, we can see layouts. We'll click on drop down. We'll come down and in hierarchy, we will select this one, circle picture hierarchy. Perfect. We'll take this to right. We'll increase the size. We'll go on top in view tab and we'll remove the grid lines. Now we will come to reporting staff. On the top, we will put CEO and there will be two persons who will be reporting to CEO. Let's come down. We have got COO over here. Two persons will be reporting to COO. So we have got two space over here and two persons will be reporting to CFO. Over here, we have got just one space. We'll click on the circle. We'll right click the mouse, add shape after. Now we have got two shape over here. Let's come to left. Let's check the total of this. Total of this is 8 and including CEO we need 9 and currently we have got 7 only. So this is for CEO. After that, one for COO, one for CFO, one for HR manager, one for ops manager. On the right hand side, we need one for finance manager and one for finance analyst. In the left, we need two more, one for HR executive and one for ops executive. We'll click over here. We'll right click the mouse. Add shape below. Over here also we will add one more shape. We'll right click the mouse. Add shape below. Perfect. Now we will click on text. We'll click on the edge. We'll go to home tab and we'll do the text color as white. We will do the same thing for all. Perfect. Now we will go to insert. We'll come to right, shapes. From here we will select rectangle. We'll click over here. So we have got rectangle with circular edges. We'll resize this. We'll go to shape format. We'll come to left, shape fill. We will do as white. We'll come to right. We'll click on drop down and we'll select no outline. Now we will double click on the shape. We can see format shape window on right hand side. We'll come to the center, shadow. We'll select black. We'll close this. Now we will press Ctrl and we'll drag the shape and copy got created. We'll click on the first shape. Now we will go to formula bar. plus or equal to. We'll click on John Smith. Enter. We got the name. We'll go to Home tab and we'll align this in center. Now we will click over here on the second shape. We'll go to Formula Bar. Plus or equal to. We'll click on Designation. Enter. We'll align this in center and in mid. We'll resize this. We'll place this over here. We'll double click on the shape. We'll come to right hand side. We'll click in the center and we'll remove the shadow. No shadow. Perfect. We'll close this. So we have got one shape over here. We'll click on the shape and we'll click on the designation. Both the things will be selected. Now we will press Ctrl and we'll drag this. So we have got two shapes. Total we need 9. We'll drag this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here we can't see designation. Let's delete this. Let's click over here, press Ctrl or Command and select designation also. Now we will press Ctrl and we'll drag this. We'll drag this one more time. So total we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need one more. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag this down. Perfect. So first one is John Smith, CEO, we have got over here. Second is Alice Johnson and designation is COO. Let's do the changes. Let's click on designation. Font is not visible. Let's change the font color. Black. Let's press Ctrl and select all the shapes. In case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Ctrl plus Command. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll do as Arial Bold. Or let's do this Arial Black. Let's change the name now. This is Alice Johnson and designation is COO. Mark Wilson, CFO. In the same way, we will change all the names from here and we'll check designation from here. So all the changes are done. Now I'll come to John Smith. We'll click on the designation and we'll change the font color. We'll change the font color for all. Perfect. Now I'll click on name and we'll click on designation by pressing Ctrl and we'll drag this to right. We'll place over here. We'll come to left. Second is Alice Johnson. This is details of Alice. We'll click over here. We'll press Ctrl and we'll select designation also. And we'll take this to right. We'll place over here. We'll come to Mark Wilson. We'll change the color of font. We'll press Ctrl and we'll select name also. And we'll drag this to right. We'll place over here. Sarah Lee will be reporting to Alice Johnson. We'll select name and designation and we'll place over here. We'll right click the mouse, group, and we'll make it a group. Now we will resize this. We'll place over here. Perfect. Kevin Brown, we'll select designation and we'll place over here. We'll leave it selected. We'll right click the mouse, group. Now we will resize this. We'll place over here. Perfect. Linda White and David Clark, they will be reporting to Mark Wilson. And we can see Mark Wilson over here. We'll click on Linda White. We'll select designation also. We'll take this to right and we'll place over here. We'll leave it selected. We'll right click the mouse, group, and we'll make a group. We'll resize this. We'll adjust this. Perfect. Now let's go to David Clark. Let's select designation. Let's make it a group. Now let's drag it over here. Let's resize this little bit. Now we have got two people. Emily will be reporting to Sarah Lee. Sarah Lee is over here. We'll click on Emily. We'll select designation also. We'll right click the mouse. We'll make it a group. We'll resize this and we'll place over here. We'll resize this little bit more. Perfect. We have got James Miller and James Miller will be reporting to Kevin Brown. Here we have got Kevin Brown. We'll select this. We'll right click the mouse. We'll make it a group. We'll resize this little bit. We'll place it over here. Perfect. So all the things are done. Let's insert company logo. I'll go to insert. Pictures. Place in cell. Place over cells. I'll select place over cells. Picture from file. This is my company logo. I'll click on insert. My company logo got inserted. We will resize this. Perfect. We'll position it over here. We'll double click on the picture. Picture format will open on the right hand side. We'll go to shadow and we'll give it a shadow. We'll close this. We'll click On James Miller, we'll press Ctrl and we'll drag this. Shape got created. We will delete designation from here. We'll click on the shape. We'll align text in mid. We'll resize this and we'll place over here. We'll edit the text. This will be org chart. We'll increase the font size. We'll go to shape format and we'll change the shape color. We'll come to right and we'll change the text color. We'll do as white. Perfect. All the things are done. Now we will go on top and we'll click on the circle. We need picture of John Smith over here. We'll select picture of John Smith and we'll click on insert. Picture got inserted. Now I'll double click on the picture. We'll come to right hand side. We'll press Ctrl or Command and we'll select all the round shapes or circles where we have to insert the picture. We'll come in the center, shadow. We'll give it a black shadow. We'll close this. Now we will come down. We'll click on Ellis Johnson. We'll look for the picture of Ellis. Insert. Picture got inserted. Let's come to Mark Wilson. We'll look for the picture of Mark. Insert. Let's come to Sarah Lee. Let's look for the picture of Sarah. Insert. Over here we will resize the picture a little bit. We'll go to picture format, crop, and we'll adjust the picture a little bit. Perfect. Let's come to Kevin. We'll look for Kevin. Insert. Linda. Let's look for Linda. Insert. Over here also we will resize the picture. We'll adjust this. In the same way, I'll insert remaining pictures. Our org chart is ready now, but one thing to notice over here. If I'll move the chart, our headers are not moving. I'll undo this. We'll click on org chart. We'll press Ctrl or Command and we'll select all the shapes. We'll right click the mouse, group, and we'll group it. Now we can move this wherever we want. One thing to mention over here. If you'll cut this org chart and we'll paste in different sheet, formulas are not going to work. But if the sheet will be over here, formulas will work perfectly. Let's change the name. Let's do this Office Monk. Enter. Name of CEO got changed. I'll undo this. Let's come to left and let's hide the data. Hide. And this is how our org chart looks. In the same way, you can create your own chart. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.